Don't lose money in 2026. There's a lot of instability. Looking at the fuel price fluctuation driven by the market forces. In December, I said some key things that you need to understand about 2026. You need to become your own government to some extent. Now, what are the things that will make you business not to try? Electricity. How do you, what is it, if there is no consistent electricity, you want to opt in for an alternative power supply, which a number of people are using generator. Cost of fuel price is going to be increasing and be fluctuating. What do you do? Think of something that doesn't have to tie with the economic situation. Get with solar. Whether there is light or there is no light, you are operating your business, right? There are other things that I mentioned that I'll be mentioning at the course of this business and investment and quality podcast, right? What we're talking about today is the headline that has to do with the fuel price fluctuation as a result of the recent war or breakout that happened in the Middle East. Now, let's just take a read of the headline and then we'll go into the analysis, right? The fuel pump price in Nigeria has risen following the Middle East conflict, with the Nigerian NNPC, National Petroleum Commission, increasing price in Nigeria, in Abuja, to 960 naira per liter from 875 naira. Dangote Refinery raising a January price by 100 naira to 874. A number of fuel companies increased theirs to over 1,000 plus. I saw one in Obo State increasing to over 1,100 or something. This shows that the market is highly deregulated, especially in the downstream sector, where price respond to supply and demand rather than government regulation. Okay, because there's a war outbreak in a neighboring or other country, it affects the price. If there was standard regulation, prices will not fluctuate, right? Global crude price surged by 20% last week due to the attack on oil infrastructure in Iraq, Saudi Arabia, Qatar, and other Gulf states. What are the advantages and disadvantages for individuals? So these are, you don't just want to read out the headline. How do you position? Because these are things that will help you make informed decisions for your finance to grow on a daily basis. Individual faces higher transport costs. The prices of fuel is going on. Prices of transport is going to go up, right? The increased price of goods and fuel price hikes ripples through the economy. This means that promoters, those who commute daily, right, they rely on private vehicles, bear immediate body. Whenever there is an issue with the economy, final consumers bear immediate burden, whether it is food inflation, fuel inflation, a final consumer bear the burden. And one way or the other, everybody is a final consumer, right? So for you, you want to also position to become a producer. Household budget already stressed by inflation, facing additional pressure. However, the regulation theoretically allows price to fall when the global condition improves. Why? So when the global condition improves, because there is the regulation, the price can fall also, right? But I think it's better it should be fixed, so everybody can plan. It should be regularized. Everybody can plan themselves. Not there's an outbreak, it goes up, and there is an improvement, it comes down. If you cannot plan yourself financially, you cannot grow, right? So these are advantages and disadvantages for individuals. Now for company, transport and logistics company, we face higher operation costs, potentially squeezing margins and forcing price increase to customer. Manufacturers relying on diesel generator for power sees production costs rise. However, petroleum marketing companies can adjust price dynamically to protect margin rather than selling at a loss during the high period. Dangote Refinery ability to adjust Dangote price reflects a market condition position. So for what does this mean? This just means that you running your business, of course. Like I said earlier, everybody's a final consumer. So you want to start looking at alternatives. What are the alternatives? Look at the byproducts of the crude oil. Can your business thrive on something that can solve that? Instead of using fuel, you use diesel or gas. Are you consuming much more on a monthly basis? if you convert to solar or convert to diesel or convert to gasoline, it could reduce your operating expenses. These are things to look out for. Now the government, now what are the advantages and disadvantages to the economy? I don't need to read that. Inflation, right? Price of things are going to be increasing, right? And then cost of operation is going to increase. Gross profit is going to reduce because of all this. Transportation is a key driver of the economy. And whenever anything affects transportation, it affects the whole economy. So as an individual, I've mentioned some of the things that can help you position as an individual. So that is that on the VRP podcast relating to the fuel price fluctuation driven by the market force. Now, as the prices is fluctuating, you also ought to be an investor in one of these industries. Can invest in Seplat, you can invest in Dangote refinery, and also invest in other oil and gas industries, so that as they are increasing price, they will be making profits, you will also be making profits. Right? So this is something you can grow. Look at your investment. Are you investing in business? Are you investing in real estate? Are you investing in liquid investment like the stock market, bond, treasury bill, money market fund? Diversify your portfolio. Be wise with your investment. Minimize expenses. Maximize opportunity to grow revenue. And this is how to position in 2026. Financial for business and investment expert. I want you to subscribe to this YouTube channel and also turn on the notification bell. Like this video. Also, click the link or scan the QR code to join our WhatsApp community. We offer first-hand information on business, investment, and policy. And also, we have a section we hold every Friday, live section. It's called the Business Night School. Business Night School is to teach you in-depth info on how to make, manage, multiply money, and maximize money. Thanks so much. Have a great day. Bye.